How to play multiplayer in Bonelab Quest 2. Now in this video, I'll show you some tips or basic processes for you to be able to play multiplayer in Bonelab using your Quest 2. Now from here, since Bonelab does not support multiplayer option or feature, what we're gonna have to do is of course to use a certain mod. Now just simply open up your browser and from your browser just simply type in Bonelab Quest 2 mods. So these are all the resources that we can go, but most of the time, other players are currently using the mod directly from Thunderstore. So click this link right here that will redirect you into thunderstore.io. Now from the search box, just simply type in multiplayer and click on search. So this is what you will get, the Fusion. Click that. Now on the next page, you will see these options here. Simply switch it into versions. And then if you scroll down, make sure that the friend you would like to play with on a multiplayer mode using this mod has to be the same. So if you would like to download the version 0.113.0, make sure that your friend will also download the same version number. Simply click on download and run everything using the Bonelab mod manager, and you should be able to play multiplayer mod on Bonelab Quest 2. And that's it.